Welcome back. Quickly putting out some breaking inputs we're picking up at this point in time. One more terrorist has now been gunned down by our forces in the ongoing Pampore encounter. Another terrorist has been gunned down, which means a total of 2 terrorists which have now been killed by our security forces in Pampore in the ongoing encounter. Our reporter will be joining us in just a bit to take us through more details, but Republic TV being the only channel reporting from Ground Zero, where all the action is taking place. Remember, several encounters taking place in the Kashmir Valley as we speak. We saw how a terrorist was nabbed in Doda and Jammu region, following which an encounter which was underway since last night in Avantipora, and now another terrorist which has been gunned down in the Pampore encounter. Several encounters which were underway in the Kashmir Valley. We've been seeing the last few hours have been tense. The last few days rather have been tense as far as Kashmir Valley is concerned. Upscale and ceasefire violations, several terrorist attacks, so anti-terrorist operations which are currently underway in several parts of the valley. Zeenat joining us with latest inputs as far as this particular update is concerned. Zeenat, another terrorist who's been gunned down in the Pampore encounter. More details, please.
Yes, Christine, that is what I am picking from the sources. There is one more dead body that is lying. In fact, the second militant have been utilized by the security forces. The operation was carried by 50R along with the SOG. They were the part of the operation. Earlier in the morning, one dead body was recovered along with arms and ammunition, and now another terrorists have been gunned down. This is what my sources are telling us. This was an operation that was carried in Saraibala, Pampore. That comes in the district Pulwama of South Kashmir. In fact, the complete shift is on South Kashmir because we are seeing 2 anti-militancy operations launched by the security forces. One is in the Pampore that we were just talking about, and the another one is Begpura, that's again in Avantipora. In Anantnag, though the search and cordon operations are going on for the last 20 hours or so. So we see that the forces are trying the best to neutralize the terror in the valley because there had been some casualties. The army as well as Jammu Kashmir police, including CRPF in North Kashmir. So they want to neutralize that terrorist as much as possible. That is why we see the anti-militancy launched by the security forces in such a swift manner.
All right, we leave it at that, Zeenat. Quickly playing out a ground report filed by you from Avantipora, because remember, an encounter broke out in Avantipora late last night. Zeenat keeping us ahead via this report. Take a look.
The entire shift from north is now in South Kashmir, where the terrorists are trapped. We are reporting that some 2 terrorists are trapped in a residential house in Begpura that comes in the Avantipora district of South Kashmir. In fact, the operation of 50RR along with SOG Avantipora. We are picking that the top commander of Hizbul Mujahideen has been trapped in this very encounter. But simultaneously, there has been a ground reports, also ground imposed, that the SOG party of Avantipora were making rounds in this very area for the last 2 days. That is what the sources are telling us. In case this the trapped militant is neutralized, it will be a big success to the security forces. Although we are seeing that a lot of retaliation is coming from the militant outfits also. If we talk about the North Kashmir, army had to suffer huge casualty after 21RR launched a massive anti-militancy operation, and also there 2 terrorists were neutralized. You can see on ground the SOG and also the SOG of Jammu Kashmir police on ground deploying the area of this Begpura. In fact, all the entry as well as the exit points have been completely sealed so that no movement is allowed. This is a very important and a very crucial operation for Jammu and Kashmir police along with all other forces. With VJ Firdoswani, this is Zeenat Zishan Fazil for Republic Media Network.